stage 55 has been decked out Tokyo style. Our special effects department has prepared our cast of the various picture cars for today's test run. Have your cameras ready.
Clear on the set. Let's see the bullet hits. And go. Slow. Go. Fire. Go. Okay, we're clear for a full run through. All systems check. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action.
And cut! Some of the carnage and carnage after the bushing of your robotics. Take a bow, boys. Do you boys have any other moves? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. We created an urban station. What the wide world of sports? Well, let's just determine. We get these all the time in Southern California. Nothing to worry about. Well, okay, there's that. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated in yards like the head inside of the trail. Hang on to Sullivan! I shouldn't have had this pickled dodo eggs. Yeah! I regret nothing. Everybody all right? You ready first? Another nice cool milk. On the milk, and there's plenty of water for everybody. Oh, that's wild, man. That's wild. You just about drink the big one.